Today's video is all about the top 5 reptile terrariums, and we're excited to share our thoughts with you all. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're a reptile enthusiast, you know how important it is to provide the perfect environment for your scaly friends. That's why we recommend the AI-ICIO Reptile Glass Tank. With its 24 by 18 by 18 inches size, it offers ample space for chameleons, geckos, corn snakes, iguanas, and other lizards to thrive. This knockdown terrarium features double-hinged doors that allow easy access for maintenance and feeding. The specially designed lock ensures that your reptile won't escape, while the front-opening terrarium doors can be opened separately for added convenience. One of the standout features of this reptile tank is its full-screen top and side ventilation. Not only does it allow UVB and infrared penetration, but it is also completely removable for easy access during decorating or cleaning sessions. On the back of the tank, you'll find closable wire or tube inlets, providing you with options to install accessories like heatwave rocks, waterfalls, or sensors. The raised bottom plate allows you to mount a substrate heater, ensuring optimal temperature distribution and prolonging the life of your gecko tank. Setting up the AI-ICIO Reptile Glass Tank is a breeze with its easy installation process that can be completed in just 5 minutes. Step-by-step instructions are included to assist you along the way. To guarantee safe transportation, these reptile cage glass terrariums are carefully packaged with tough cardboard and thickened reinforced foam. Create a comfortable and secure habitat for your reptiles with the AI-ICIO Reptile Glass Tank. Your scaly companions will thank you. If you're looking for the perfect home for your tortoise, look no further than the Gaguri tortoise habitat. This wooden tortoise house offers ample space with its 2-room design, featuring a private sleeping area and a public viewing area for your beloved pet. The detachable legs provide flexibility, allowing you to place it on tables or directly on the ground. Crafted from high-quality and safe fir wood, this tortoise house guarantees a secure and natural environment for your tortoise. The lightweight and durable wood resists warping, ensuring long-lasting use. One of the standout features of this habitat is its convenient upgrade pull-out tray. The all-surrounding bottom design prevents any dirt from falling through, and the high-quality plastic tray simplifies cleaning and maintenance. With its large observation window, you can easily monitor your pets from 3 sides. Whether you need to provide the right heat and lighting indoors or let them enjoy the outdoors for sunlight and warmth, this habitat has got you covered. The Gaguri tortoise habitat is not only suitable for indoor use during winter but also ideal for outdoor use during summer. It's perfect for various small animals like tortoises, lizards, geckos, and snakes. Provide your pet with a safe and comfortable home with the Gaguri tortoise habitat today. Introducing the Reptile Mist Master, the ultimate solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in your reptile's habitat. This top-fill fogger terrarium's humidifier is designed with convenience and efficiency in mind. With its large 4L visible tank, you can easily monitor the water level and avoid constant refills. The lid can be effortlessly removed for cleaning and filling, saving you time and effort. Our Reptile Mist Master boasts a remarkable misting capacity that can run up to 20 hours at maximum misting level or even an impressive 40 hours at minimum misting level. To ensure your reptile's safety, we've equipped this fogger with dry-out protection. If the water in the tank runs dry, the humidifier will automatically stop working and its indicator light will turn red. One of our unique features is the adjustable fog output control. Instead of using touch buttons that can be prone to failure, we've implemented a reliable mechanical knob to effortlessly adjust the output size of the cold fog. This not only increases the equipment's service life but also gives you precise control over humidity levels. We understand that every reptile habitat is different, which is why we've included an adjustable hose that can extend from 25.6 to 76 inches. Whether you have a vivarium, tank, cage, terrarium, or any other reptile enclosure, our flexible hose ensures a perfect fit. But wait, there's more. Our Reptile Mist Master is not limited to reptile use only. It also comes with a dedicated nozzle for household use. With its 360-degree adjustable mist outlet holes, it can efficiently maintain humidity levels in your bedroom, office, nursery, living room, or even your entire house. Experience the ultimate convenience and performance with the Reptile Mist Master. Say goodbye to dry environments and hello to a healthier and happier reptile habitat. Get yours today and provide the perfect mist for your scaly friends. Looking for a sleek and modern terrarium for your reptile pet? The Zilla Quick Build Terrarium is the perfect choice. With its eye-catching glass design, this terrarium is not only functional but also stackable, allowing you to create a stylish display of multiple terrariums in your home. The top screen features a double hinge closure for easy access from either side, making it convenient to interact with your pet and maintain the terrarium. The clear glass sides provide unobstructed viewing, allowing you to observe your reptile in detail. Safety is also a priority with the feeding port, top, and front opening doors all equipped with locks to securely keep your pet inside. Depending on the needs of your reptile pet, you can choose between two convenient options. The Quick Build Terrarium features a solid water-holding base suitable for water-loving reptiles or planted terrariums. On the other hand, the Quick Build Terrarium with Easy Clean bedding tray includes a removable tray that simplifies cleaning and changing of bedding. The Quick Build Terrarium is designed for multi-species use, accommodating various reptile pets such as amphibians, reptilians, snakes, and even arachnids. It is also versatile in terms of storage and transportation, as it can be easily broken down for compact storage or relocation. Enhance your reptile's habitat with the Zilla Quick Build Terrarium, the perfect combination of style, functionality, and convenience. Introducing the Zilla Tropical Vertigo Habitat Starter Kit, a paradise for your small arboreal reptiles and amphibians. This 11-gallon habitat provides everything your pets need to thrive in a vertical environment. With a convenient front opening door, accessing and interacting with your pets has never been easier. The hinged lid allows for additional access, while the powder-coated screen resists rust, ensuring durability and longevity. The 5-deep watertight bottom of this habitat offers endless possibilities for creating unique water features or even the perfect mini paludarium. You can unleash your creativity and design a stunning aquatic display that will captivate both you and your pets. This comprehensive kit includes a 12 by 12 by 18 glass front opening terrarium, a rock-like foam background, a front locking latch and locking pin for added security, a hinged screen top to maintain optimal airflow, a mini halogen dome with bulb for essential lighting, coconut husk bedding for naturalistic substrate, a humidity and temperature gauge to monitor their environment, a feeding dish for easy mealtime, and a setup guide to assist you every step of the way. Please note that this starter kit is not recommended for iguanas, monitors, or large-sized reptiles. It is specially designed for small tree-dwelling reptiles and amphibians like geckos and frogs. Rest assured that your Zilla Tropical Vertigo Habitat Starter Kit will arrive intact and undamaged as it ships with reinforced packaging. Provide your beloved pets with the ultimate tropical sanctuary with the Zilla Tropical Vertigo Habitat Starter Kit. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 reptile terrariums. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.